I'm Xoxia. If you didn't fucking know, welcome back to my channel, girl. So today I wanted to show you guys, I just made a video doing this install for you guys. So I wanted to let you guys know which unit this is. Believe it or not, bitch, this is a Amazon fucking unit. Yes, I said it, Amazon. It was at a really great price point, and I was so happy when I received this unit because it is everything that it said it would be, because this is a loose deep wave. Okay, so look at like the texture, you guys. It's so fucking pretty. The luster and everything is fucking impeccable. I love it so much. Like I said, this is their loose deep wave, and the lace is really nice and everything. This is the hairline. If you guys want to see how I installed it and everything, using like my glueless method, because I don't, fuck with the glue too much. But yeah, this one is actually at 28 inches. So let me show you guys how long. So it just comes to like my coccyx bone, but it does wave up a little bit, of course, because it's wavy hair. But I am in love with the texture and the hairline and everything, so I will leave the link below. This is from Xoxia Show Hair. So if you guys want to check them out, I'm about to order another style from them really soon, so I'll be sharing that with you guys as well, because I'm really in love with this one, and I think it's just a really good company. So yeah, girl, I think it's just a really good company for us to get our units from. They're not super expensive, they're really nice, and they are what they say they are. This is actually a 13 by 4, 28 inch loose deep wave. Okay, so I did watercolor it jet black, but I didn't record it. But you guys know that's super easy to do. But yeah, if you love this unit and you want to go ahead and pick it up, I will leave the link in the description box below. It's super pretty, girls. So I'll see you next time. Bye. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.